Hi, I'm Joseph.
Hi, I'm Jasmine.
And welcome to WillItSlip. So, here we are in the Slipstop Experience Center in Niro Ceramic Group's showroom. And the premise of this show is simple. Every week, we're gonna put different items on the sloped surface to see whether or not it will slip. But first of all, Jasmine, can you tell us what is Slipstop all about?
Sure, let's follow me and check it out.
So, Jasmine, can you tell us what do we have over here?
Okay, so you will be looking at a matte surface over here. Matte surfaces are actually well known for their smooth surface, so it can be found in the commercial area and even residential area. So what you can see is that matte surfaces are usually used in your wet kitchen area or even at the bathroom area. Right. Okay, so the next one here is our slipstop surface. Slipstop surface is something new to our Niro Granite collection. So as you can see here, it's also smooth on the surface itself.
Okay.
And also, we do have an infused special materials to be a coating on top, whereby when it reacts to water, it gives you quite a anti-slip effect.
Okay, try touching it.
So sure, you can have a touch on the matte surface.
Right.
Really?
It's very smooth. It's also smooth.
So the next one, I would like you to test on with the water itself.
Okay.
So spray as much of water as you like on both of the surfaces.
Okay. Is there enough water?
I think you need to spray on more.
Okay, there's a lot more. Oh, that's enough.
Right, that's generous enough. Okay, so up next, what are we going to do is that I have a pair of heels over here. So we will have to look at the reaction of how it reacts to matte surface and also our slipstop surface.
Alright.
So let's try on with the first one here.
Ooh, they're going right now.
Okay, let's try once more.
Alright.
Okay.
Very hazardous.
Right, so that's what happens when you wear heels on a wet matte surface. The next one coming up will be on the slipstop surface. So have a look at what will happen next. So it stays. Alright. So this will be the difference between our matte surface and also our slipstop surface. Although both of it are actually smooth in terms of the feel, but one will, with the slipstop surface, definitely is much more safer.
So be sure to stay tuned for more episodes of WillItSlip, where we're gonna test different items on these surfaces for your entertainment.
So if you would like your materials to appear on our next episodes, please leave a comment below. Thank you.